Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0107 indicates a malfunction in the Manifold Absolute Pressure MAP sensor circuit, which is responsible for measuring the pressure or vacuum in the engine's manifold. This sensor converts pressure readings into an electrical signal for the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to monitor engine performance. In particular, when the throttle valve is closed, the MAP sensor outputs a low signal voltage, whereas a high signal voltage indicates the throttle valve is wide open. When the voltage falls below a specific threshold for at least 2 seconds, the PCM identifies a problem and triggers this diagnostic trouble code. This DTC can affect the engine's efficiency and performance, making it crucial for diagnosis and repair. Understanding how the MAP sensor operates and interacts with other components is key to resolving this error effectively. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in reducing the likelihood of encountering DTC P0107. Regular inspections of the MAP sensor can catch wear and tear before it leads to significant issues. Ensuring that wiring integrity is maintained will help avoid shorts or breaks that could affect sensor operation. Additionally, routinely checking for engine vacuum leaks can prevent incorrect pressure readings, which may cause early sensor failure. These proactive measures can help keep the vehicle running optimally while extending the life of crucial engine management components. It's worthwhile to integrate these inspections into routine vehicle maintenance. DTC P0107 indicates a low voltage issue in the MAP sensor circuit, impacting engine performance. Understanding the role of the MAP sensor is pivotal for effective diagnostics, as it provides critical data for the PCM to manage engine functions efficiently. Diagnosing voltage issues, whether in the sensor itself or related circuitry, is essential in resolving this DTC. Moreover, following structured troubleshooting steps not only aids in effective repairs, but also in confirming the problem's correct resolution. Implementing preventive measures can mitigate future occurrences of DTC P0107, ultimately leading to improved vehicle reliability and performance. Thus, combining thorough diagnostics with proactive maintenance will ensure a smoother and more efficient driving experience. The Manifold Absolute Pressure MAP sensor is an integral component of the vehicle's engine management system. It monitors the pressure of the air and fuel mixture in the intake manifold and sends this data to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM uses this information to make adjustments for optimal engine performance, affecting fuel mixture and timing. The MAP sensor is specifically situated in the intake manifold, directly measuring the pressure changes as the engine operates. If the signal voltage from the MAP sensor drops excessively, it results in the PCM detecting a malfunction. This could impede overall engine performance, including fuel efficiency and power output. Several possible causes could lead to the DTC P0107 being triggered. One common cause is a short circuit in the MAP sensor PB, power and ground line, which could prevent the sensor from sending accurate voltage readings to the PCM. Additionally, an open circuit in the MAP sensor VCC, voltage common collector line, could also disrupt the communication between the sensor and the PCM. Another potential issue may arise if the MAP sensor itself is faulty, rendering it incapable of providing the necessary pressure data. Furthermore, a failure within the internal circuits of the PCM could interpret the sensor's signal inaccurately, falsely triggering the DTC warning. The symptoms associated with a triggered DTC P0107 can significantly impact vehicle performance. Drivers may notice engine performance issues such as rough idling, stalling, or hesitation during acceleration. These symptoms occur due to incorrect readings from the MAP sensor, leading to improper fuel-air mixture adjustments by the PCM. Additionally, reduced fuel efficiency may be experienced as the engine struggles to operate optimally, which is detrimental to overall vehicle performance. If left unaddressed, these issues could lead to further mechanical failures or increased emissions, making it vital for technicians to act promptly. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0107 is to check for any diagnostic trouble codes related to the vehicle. Using a reliable OBD2 scan tool, confirm the presence of DTC P0107 in the system. It's critical to ensure that there are no other active DTCs that might complicate the diagnosis. If P0107 is confirmed, documenting any freeze-frame data provided by the scan tool can also be beneficial for later analysis. Understanding the context in which the DTC was triggered allows for a more targeted approach in resolving the underlying issue. This step sets the foundation for further diagnostic processes. The second troubleshooting step involves inspecting the connections of the map sensor for any physical damage. Begin by checking the wiring harness for signs of wear, shorts, or breaks that may affect signal integrity. It's also essential to ensure that the map sensor is securely mounted, as improper seating can lead to incorrect readings. If any physical damage is found, repairs should be executed before moving on to more complex diagnostics. Properly functioning wiring and connections are vital for accurate sensor performance, and this step can often reveal easy fixes to the problem at hand. In the third step of troubleshooting, measuring the map sensor's output voltage is crucial. Using a multimeter, check the voltage output according to the specifications indicated in the vehicle's service manual. A significantly low reading, such as 0.23 volt or less, confirms a fault in the signal sent to the PCM, leading to the DTC. Identifying any voltage issues during this test can point to whether the problem lies with the map sensor itself or in the circuits leading to the PCM. This step narrows down the potential causes effectively and could lead to the root of the issue after examining the map sensor and its connections. The fourth step focuses on testing the PCM for functionality. If all previous checks have failed to identify a malfunction, examining the PCM circuitry becomes necessary. Inspect the internal circuitry for any signs of damage or abnormal functionality. If internal errors are detected, the PCM may need replacement or reprogramming to restore proper function. Diagnosing the PCM is crucial, as it directly affects how the engine performs based on the information it receives from various sensors, including the map sensor. This diagnostic step layers on complexity, but is essential for a comprehensive evaluation of the problem. After completing necessary repairs, the final verification step involves clearing the DTC P0107 using the scan tool. Once the DTCs have been cleared, performing a test drive under various operating conditions is imperative to ensure that the repairs have effectively resolved the issue. Monitor the vehicle's performance closely during this driving phase, paying attention to any signs of a returning malfunction, ensuring no new DTCs are generated, confirming that the vehicle operates within normal parameters without engine performance issues is the ultimate goal of this step. This verification process is crucial for customer satisfaction and confirms that repairs have been successful. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.